Welcome to the Bula Dashboard. Here you can access bills and proposed rules, current laws, hundreds of pharmacy law FAQs with answers, templates, as well as sign up for board newsletters and agendas, all across the 50 states, DC, and federal. Let's take a closer look at the bills and proposed rules section. This is the area where legislative and regulatory updates are tracked, as well as where you can customize criteria for emailed reports and add items to your watch list for alerts. To conduct a search of bills and proposed rules, either click the blue New Search button on the dashboard or click Bills and Proposed Rules in the top navigation bar. On the search page, you may enter a keyword or set of keywords using Boolean operators in the top search bar. Additionally, see tips for conducting more precise searches above the search bar. You can further narrow down your results by using the filters below the search bar, which include jurisdictions, type, time frame for the change, whether or not future events are included, topic tags, and status. Then you may choose how to sort your results. Notice that below the descriptions of items that impact an FAQ, you have the ability to see the list of those FAQs. You can then select which FAQs you are interested in learning the answers to by clicking Show Selected. That will take you to those answers in the FAQs section. Or instead, you may click Show All Answers to see the answers to all questions listed in the FAQs area. Let's look at what one of these bills or proposed rules looks like. These items include a summary of the legislation, event dates, a link to the state's page, version dates, links to the laws impacted within Bula, the associated topic tags, as well as a list of FAQs that may be impacted by this item. Everything in Bula is hyperlinked to further information within Bula, so you can see the supporting legislation and laws impacted. If you want to download your results into a static file, just click the green Excel icon. You'll see the download includes hyperlinks for easy access to the legislation within Bula and the state page. Easily add or remove columns, set up formulas, and other desired analytics for a complete picture that will help you see the information most relevant to your business. These reports lend themselves to further analysis, which can show opportunities for growth and more. From the search results screen, you can add specific items to your watch list by clicking the green button to the right of the title. Adding items to your watch list triggers an independent email alert to you anytime Bula publishes an update to that particular item. Adding an item to your watch list does not remove it from other reports or alerts. Next, if you are happy with your set of search criteria and wish to save it or another set, click the green Set Search Criteria button. On this next screen, name your set of search criteria, choose the schedule in which you want to receive alerts via email, and choose your set of search criteria in the bottom section. Once you are happy, press the blue Save button. You will now arrive at your library of saved sets of search criteria. Here you may add, delete, or modify sets of search criteria, which you may schedule as email reports. Let's look at what one of those email reports looks like. Everything in this emailed report is hyperlinked and will take you back into Bula for more information. Additionally, these emails come with an interactive Excel attachment, which includes all of these results and links. From the dashboard, you can access the search results for a saved set of search criteria by clicking the first button in the Bills and Proposed Rules box and selecting the name of your search that you wish to access. These are the current results for your saved set of search criteria. If you want to modify this search and save it, click the green Modify Search Criteria button. After clicking the Modify button, you will be able to make changes to the set of search criteria, its name, and schedule however you choose. Next, let's take a closer look at current laws, which includes the statutes, regulations, sub-regulatory guidance, newsletters, and minutes in all of your jurisdictions. To conduct a search in the Current Laws section, you may search keywords or phrases much like in the Bills and Proposed Rules section, including Boolean searches. You may also narrow your search results down by using any of the below filters. You will notice that you also have the option to view the list of FAQs impacted by a current law from this page. On this page, you may also switch between seeing your search results in Detail Full Mode or Title Mode by clicking one of the two buttons next to the search bar. You may also browse current laws by state and topic instead of using the method we just covered. On the left side of the screen, click the state you are interested in, then drill down the topics of interest until you find the law you are looking for. Let's look at one of the current laws. The laws page includes a summary and details, as well as version dates and the list of FAQs impacted just as in the Bills and Proposed Rules section. Everything is hyperlinked so you can see further information within Bula, such as versions or FAQs. Let's take a closer look at the FAQs section of Bula, which includes hundreds of the most frequently asked pharmacy law questions. Click the plus signs next to the topics to reveal more categories and questions. Click the boxes next to the questions and topics to make your selections. You may select multiple questions. You may also choose which jurisdictions you're interested in before going to the answer screen. You may also type a keyword in the Search FAQs field to reveal related questions. Once you have selected your questions, press Show Answers. On the answer screen, you can sort by jurisdiction again if you choose. Everything in Bula is hyperlinked, so you can go directly to the supporting legislation in the database. Additionally, please take note of the blue info icons. You may click these icons to show the longer, detailed answer for each FAQ. You can also see the detailed and quick answers side by side by going into full view. You may even switch the axes, so the questions and jurisdictions switch places, whichever view you prefer. Additionally, you can download a file of your questions and answers by clicking the green Excel icon. Now let's look at the Policies and Procedures templates. These templates are designed to help you create your pharmacy's own specific policies and procedures manual, and is based on federal law. To download the entire manual in Word at one time, click the bold and blue "Click Here" in the top section before the list of individual chapters. If you only need specific chapters for your manual and do not want to download the manual's template in its entirety, simply click the name of the chapter that you wish to download listed in the index below. Included in these chapters are our new USP 800 documents. All download files are Word files so that you can review the document and modify as needed to meet your pharmacy's needs and state laws. Next, we also offer templates for immunization collaborative practice agreements or general CPAs. Both template areas work in the same way. Simply click the name of the state for which you want to download the template, and the download of that Word file will begin. From the dashboard, you can subscribe to receive board newsletters and board agendas as we publish them to the system. Simply click the Select States button in this section on the dashboard. Choose the jurisdictions of interest and click Save. You are now set to receive these email alerts with links to the documentation as soon as we publish them to Bula. Lastly, let's review the top right navigation bar. Under Help, you have access to step-by-step directions for using Bula, as well as the contact form for quick assistance. Under Settings, you have the ability to update your profile, visit your library of saved sets of search criteria for bills and proposed rules, visit your library of watch list items, and log out. On the library page for saved sets of search criteria, which we viewed earlier, you can create and schedule a report for a new set of search criteria bypassing the bills and proposed rules search page. You may click on the name of a set of search criteria to edit it, or even delete saved criteria. On the page for your watch list, you can sort items by jurisdiction or status, delete items, or visit an item-specific page by clicking on its name. This concludes the Bula demonstration. To learn more, contact us for a live demo or training, or with any questions.